What's up, everybody? Here's a quick recap of our time in Belize yesterday.
We took a ferry to Cape Cocker Island.
Yep.
We rented a golf cart there. We rode around. We had some fire lobster.
Oh my gosh.
It was good.
Fantastic.
Mike had jerk chicken.
Yes.
The flies absolutely attacked me. As soon as he handed me the lobster, he said the flies love the lobster here. And at least 50, no lie, flies came and I ran to the golf cart. So that was the whole thing. Anyway, after all of that, we took a ferry back here to our island, which is St. Pedro and Burgess Cay. Is it in Burgess Cay or?
It's in Burgess Cay.
Yeah, I think, okay. Cape Cocker was mixing me.
Yeah, Cape Cocker was where we went to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. So we took our ferry back here to Burgess Cay, got in our golf cart, came back to our room, our beautiful room.
Beautiful room.
Make sure you all check out the video with the tour of the room.
Oh, yeah.
Tonight we're going to a popular restaurant called Carumbe, where all the seafood is fresh and you pick it and then they cook it however you like it, whether you want to bake, boil, fry.
That's going to be fun.
Yes, so we actually have a reservation at 6, so we probably need to leave right about now.
We are running late, so
we're going to pick you all back up there.
Yep. So we'll see you guys at Carumbe. And we are off. We're running late, but we're going to get there. We late, but we're going to get there. How are you? Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you so much. So, the way that you get your fish is you come out here, you pick it up, or you pick it, you tell them what kind of fish you want, they cook it up just the way you want it. So I'm going to be trying either the red snapper or the hawks. Hawks. And here's the lobster here. And then they get it for you and they cook it up. All right, taking you to the table. This looks good. So I'm going to try hog for the first time. And I'm a little excited. So a little nervous, but I am excited. Hog fish, not hog pig, but hog fish. I have to remember that. But I am a little nervous, but everybody vouches for it, said it's really delicious. So I'm gonna try it. All right, so here's everything.
Here's the finished product. The lobster, the crawfish, the fish, and
Everything looks really good. I don't know how I'm gonna do with this mouth.
You just eat the sides.
But all right.
10 out of 10 for the shrimp.
10 out of 10 for the shrimp so far.
I know this about to be good.
All right. Well, I'm gonna dive into this hard, but I don't know how I'm gonna do with this mouth. Yeah, that's freaking me out. All right.
You just eat the sides.
I had to take the head off. The head was freaking me out.
At least the eyes ain't on there. Do they have eyes on it outside?
Mm-hmm.
Got your hand. This is my whole lobster. The one from earlier at Cape Cocker was better. But it still looks good. This is the crawfish. Hope I know how to do it. Babe.
What?
How do I do it? Or do they have it open for me already?
They're gonna head. Twist the tail or the body. Lobster.
So once you guys pick your seafood, you guys will bring it back here. And I'm the one that's going to help you all how to pick your seafood.
Lobster is fire.
I will give you all the
The crawfish is good. So we done done. How was it?
It was 7 out of 10.
7?
Presentation experience 10 out of 10. Taste 7 out of 10. Maybe because it was fresh and it was real fresh. It was too a fishy smell. Was it a fishy smell or a fishy taste?
It was more so a fishy taste to me.
Okay, so fishy taste because it was fresh. In America, half our stuff not fresh. So they're probably a 10 out of 10, but since I'm so Americanized.
Right. But it was still good nonetheless.
Oh, yeah.
I'm still working on this. But I'm almost done because I don't want to get too
Where do you
full.
give it?
So far, minus all the bones. I mean, the bones did it for me. It was a lot of bones. I mean, if it didn't have bones, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. But it had a lot of bones, so I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10.
What about the experience?
But the overall experience, 10 out of 10. Presentation was a 10 out of 10. But yeah, all in all, it was, the fish by itself was a 6. Come to Caramba here in Belize and try it. Worth the experience. Look what the hotel left my baby for her birthday. They snuck this in. Even when we had the do not disturb sign on. It looks so scrumdiddlyumptious. Okay, so it was so unexpected to wake up this morning and find a cake that was left by the resort for Katrina for her birthday inside the refrigerator. I was kind of wondering, like, how did it even get here? We had the do not disturb sign up, but I guess they said, oh well, we're going to do something nice regardless. But today is going to be a magical day. It's going to be very, very fun. So come on and enjoy the ride with us.
I thought it was ice cream, but it's good. It's good.
How did they do on the cake?
They did really good.
They did? Good.
But we're about to go to
Breakfast.
breakfast. It's good.
Good.
This resort already get 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, the resort is fire. So are you ready to start the day? I just tripped off that. That's real fruit. I'm so real fruit. I'm tripping. This resort still just blows my mind. I mean, everything about it just still blows my mind. Like it's gonna rain today. We praying that it don't, but still, it could. It might have a chance to. Let's get the day going.
Today is a beautiful day here in paradise.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Would you be mine? We are on our way to get breakfast, and then we may go to another tourist attraction, which is called Secret Beach, where there's just basically hanging out, eating, drinking, you know, having a grand old time on the water. And that will probably be all we do today. Just
It's
relax.
our last day here.
Relax and sightsee, and then we're back on that 10-seater plane tomorrow. I mean, it's a vibe being on a 10-seater plane, but it's scary.
It's a vibe.
Oh, Lord. A picture of what I needed. What's her name?
Dawana, man. So we are here at Estelle's for breakfast, and right here on the water. It's magnificent to be honest.
Lord bless her.
Yeah, it's a real vibe here on the water.
I have the pancake, I have a side of scramble, and a side of half a fruit. Am I right?
Yes.
Perfect.
Mine just have shrimp, right? You didn't
Yeah,
say
she
beef,
did.
did you? I thought you said beef shrimp. Okay. Yeah.
Only shrimp. B means the
The bean or
no. B means the mayonnaise. See it right here? Remember we have A and B. A and B.
B.
Yes, ma'am. I have to specify. Cause if I don't specify, then say, hey, what I'm gonna give the people? Yeah. So B means mayonnaise. So as you see B, they know it's the mayonnaise.
so mine won't come with onions and stuff in
Yeah,
it?
everything, yes, mama. This
Okay.
is it right here, yes, ma'am. The pancake gonna be stuffed. That's all.
This is one of the island foods. I think they call fried jacks, and I have it stuffed. And I'm gonna pour this honey on top. And then I got potatoes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Breakfast or belly food me. Feels like love is not for me. Since you came my way, I don't change my mind. Now I'm feeling stupid all over again. Them talk say you are driving me insane. But do I look like I care what the people say?
We just had breakfast at LV's.
I can't remember.
I think it's LV's on the water. It was delish.
Estelle or something like that. I can't remember, but
The service was
spectacular.
100 out of 10. Like all of the whole island has been nice.
Right.
Like if you're looking for good service, Carousel and now this place will be on the list.
Yep.
Best service we've ever received here in Carousel so far. Turks, you on my list. I keep bringing that up. Anyway, we are now heading back home, and I think we're going to take a taxi to Secret Beach because it's such a long ride on the golf cart.
Yeah.
And it's already hot.
Yes.
And then we're probably going to be tired when we come back, and other reasons why we may not want to drive the golf cart on the way back. So
Right.
we're going to go ahead and take a taxi. We called Brandon. He's the guy that took us from the airport to our room. He was the taxi for that. So we connected with him. He's going to take us to Secret Beach and bring us back. I'm sure he's going to charge a lot. That's why people don't like using taxis.
It's going to be like a $70 charge there, then a $70 charge back.
Belize money. So our money, that means $35.
$35 in
35.
US dollars.
And I think it's going to be per person, though. So we probably
Oh
are going to
crap!
be paying a
So
lot of
it
money.
is going to probably be per person.
Well, we change our mind and take the golf cart. We'll let you all know. But for right
Right.
now, we're going to take a taxi to Secret Beach. We'll see you there.